Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. How are you today? We're doing an awesome song by Phil Collins called One More Night. Remember that one? This is him playing in 1985 live on the BBC on television. That's the version I'm going from, just him and piano. And it's really cool. Let's take a listen. I've been waiting for so long to let you know how I feel. All right, didn't remember the lyrics there, and I'll play it better as we go through it here. But welcome to my lessons. If you've never seen them before, if you are a member of my website, you can already have access to all of these as well as download the sheets. If you'd like to try my website, there's 20 years of content. I've been doing this for 20 years, YouTube and my website. $1. It's a trial for 7 days. You have complete access to everything, even the beginner courses. 85% of people who do the trial keep going for the annual. So you can see if you like it, try it out. $1 there, no tricks, no gimmicks. Cancel anytime. Well, let's get going. Yeah, live on the BBC, and you should look it up on YouTube and you see what we're going from. And this is a hired request, and I'm just showing you what Phil's playing. It's not really complicated. It is rhythmic, and you expect that from a drummer, and drummers are usually pretty good piano players for some reason. But he does a really good job here, of course, on his own song. And I'm going to show you note for note all the way through. So we start with a B flat chord on the right hand for the intro, which also will serve as the chorus, right? B flat, D, F. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. Left hand, I have a D octave. So it's a B flat chord, but D in the bass. Okay. All right, because you don't always have to have the name of the chord in the bass, though that will most always happen. Not here. And then it does on the next chord. E flat chord is B flat, E flat, G in the right, 1, 3, 5. And then he does this, B flat, F, G with 1, 4, 5, and then just go to E flat, da, da, like that. So, okay, and we're going to do that same thing again. All right, so if you can play the first two measures, you can play the second two. So work on that intro till you can do it. Here we go. Start the verse here. I've been waiting for so long. All right, so he starts A flat in the left hand, so no octave there. It needs to be, more of a lighter texture. So E flat, A flat, C. 1, 3, 5, I guess. And then 1 and 2. Right at the end, he does A flat, E flat, and then the B flat. Now you're already on those two notes. You don't have to move. And the B flat is right next door to the A flat. I've been waiting for so. Then we have G on the left hand, right hand F, B flat. And then you have it again, and then E flat on the top. Waiting for so. So that rhythm kind of follows this lyric. Waiting for so long. That's what's kind of neat about playing when someone's actually playing the piano when they're singing instead of someone else playing, because then their rhythms are going to kind of follow the lyric. It makes it easier to sing. I've been waiting for so. Okay, that's the little first two measures there. And then we have long. All right. So then we have F minor 7 on the next chord. F and C in the left hand, right hand, E flat, A flat, C. All right. This C right here is the same C the left hand is playing. You could let either hand play it. I put it in the right, but F minor 7 to start. So it's da, ba, 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 1 and 2. And then the left hand A flat. Let you know. So it's kind of pretty, isn't it? This is one of those where the accompaniment just sounds good by itself, even if you're not singing. Okay, so E flat, B flat on the left, right hand G, B flat, and I will play all of this at the end after we go through measure by measure. So we're back to the A flat chord, okay, that we had up there. 1, 2, very pretty. 1 and up, 2, E and up. So there's your A flat. I'm playing 1, 2, 4, and then you have A flat, E flat, and then the E flat you can play with your 5th finger. E flat, B flat. Da, 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 da. We have G on the left, right hand, F, B flat, E flat, F, B flat, da, 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 E flat, B flat, ba, 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 ba. 1, da, 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 da. Okay, I can just kind of feel this on drums, you know, the way he does his rhythms. F, C, right hand, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, ba, ba, ba. Okay, so right here. Pretty with just the piano. Feel and then 1. So one more measure on that. E flat, A flat, C, ba, C, 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 A flat, A flat. Na, 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 na. All right, so A flat, left hand, right hand, A flat, C, E flat, E flat, B flat. You can play it all from this position. So bum, 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 bum. So it's G there, right hand F, B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, and then a B flat. Na, 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 na. And then C, E flat, A flat, F minor 7 again, F on the left. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Bum, bum, ba, ba, ba. So E flat, G, B flat, left hand E flat. Line here. Okay, let's try all of it. And I've been having some luck here. Just putting 2 lines, zooming in a little bit, and then I'll scroll for the 3rd one, okay? Let's try it. Scroll. Na, 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 na. There we go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. See you on the website. We'll finish the whole thing. Lots of more pages to go. Talk to you later.